Hello, this is Chris with ToolRank.com, and today we're taking a look at the new single-use tubes from Gorilla Glue. This uses the original Gorilla Glue polyurethane formula, and it's a new packaging for smaller single-use tubes. So let's take a look inside. So you break these open. Comes with 4 tubes. 4 tubes, and they each have their own lid, which is nice. So screw on, and they have a nice long tip on them. So these are pretty nice. You can put these in your fishing tackle box, or let's see if we can get this focused. Put these in your fishing tackle box or your glove box, in case you need to fix something. So these are pretty handy. Just screw them in. They got a nice lid on them. So the only thing about these tubes is once you put the cap on, it punctures the foil on the tip. So it might be better to store these separately, to store them not connected. But I noticed these caps have the same. Let's see if we can get that. See that pin inside, and the pin punctures the hole, or goes inside the hole. And it's supposed to keep a nice seal. This is the same type that we saw in the small Gorilla Glue that they came out. It has the same type of lid in here. Pull this off. You can see the pin inside. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a test to see how long this will last. I'll put this cap on, screw this on, and then let's see, squeeze some glue out. So we know that there's glue all the way in there. Then I'll wipe the tip off. We'll replace the cap, and then we'll put it in a bottle of water and see how long it'll last. It's not really meant to be submerged in water with this cap, but we'll test it anyways. So I'm going to let this sit for a while and see what happens. Hello, this is Chris with ToolRank, and it's been a couple of weeks since I took one of these single-use Gorilla tubes. I wanted to test the cap and see how well it kept out moisture. So it's been a few weeks. One's been in here in this water bottle. You can see it in there, and it looks like it's doing pretty good. I'm going to take it out and see if it still works. So here's the one straight out of the bottle. I used it before I put it in the bottle. Used it so we know that the hole is punctured. You can see that the outside of it's still pretty wet. So let's just see if the glue in here still works. And you can see the glue's still good. So I guess that pretty much removes my concern about puncturing the seal on these for long-term storage. If I can put it in a bottle of water and it stays good, then it should last. So you can get some of these, put them in your glove box, put them in your 72-hour kit, in case you have to fix anything. So there you go. Here's a look at the Gorilla Glue single-use tubes.